What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, Samsung S24 FE got oneui 7 update. Yes guys, this is not fake, this is real, but there is a catch and there is a big bad news for Samsung S21 FE, S23 FE and S24 FE and even some A series phones. So what is this bad news? I will tell you in this video. First let me show you. You can see oneui 7 version and this is Android 15 and you can see the build number and SE model also. So you can clearly see this is Samsung Galaxy S S24 FE, right? This is the news. S24 FE oneui 7 is ready. You can virtually try it right now. Right now, if you have Samsung S24 FE, you can try it. So currently, S24 FE is eligible for oneui 7 through RTL. So what is RTL? There is a guy who explained this one very short. Let me show you. So someone asked over here, can you explain what RTL means? So this guy replied, if you can see, Samsung Remote Test Lab, a place for developers to test their apps on real device provided by Samsung. Basically, you stabilize a remote connection to a real device and can test your apps on there, and yes, the entire OS can also be tested with some expectations. So basically, if you are an app developer, Samsung will give you the early access of the software for that. It could be like S24 FE, it could be Samsung S24 or S25. So at the beginning, I told you that there is a bad news, and the bad news is the guy who tested oneui 7 on Samsung S24 FE, he writed this: audio eraser and Nowbreif aren't present. Nowbar shows in settings but grays out. So basically what he is saying is, while testing oneui 7 on Samsung S24 FE, there was not Nowbreif and there was not Nowbar also. So previously there was a rumor that Nowbar and Nowbreif will not come to FE phones and A series, because you know guys, if I lock the phone, let me show you. So Nowbar and Nowbreif feature is located over here on oneui 7, right? And previously there was a rumors that Nowbar and Nowbreif feature will not come to FE models and some A series phones, because the location where Nowbar is placed on oneui 7, there is fingerprint scanner on FE models. Like all FE models have Samsung S23 FE, even S24 FE, even I think Samsung S21 FE also have fingerprint sensor over here. So how could Samsung give the Nowbar feature on FE models and some A series phones who have fingerprints sensor over here? So all the S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, S23 Plus, and normal S23 Ultra, all phones have fingerprint scanner over here. So that's why they can operate Nowbar feature, right? But FE models fingerprint scanner is located on the bottom where Nowbar is located on oneui 7. So the rumors could be real that Nowbreif and Nowbar feature will not come on FE models, and this will be very bad news for all FE models and A series models which have fingerprint scanner at the bottom. Okay, and guys, if we remove Nowbar and Nowbreif feature from oneui 7, I think there is not much difference between oneui 6 and oneui 7. So I think Samsung have to do something and give Nowbar and Nowbreif feature to FE models also, not just for like the flagship models like S series. And you can see this guy clearly said that Nowbar and Nowbreif feature was not present while he was testing oneui 7 on Samsung S24 FE. So let's wait for the official update for S23 FE and other phones. So yes guys, S24 FE got oneui 7 but through RTL. If you are a developer, you can test oneui 7. Guys, please tell me what will be your reaction if Samsung does this. Okay, so alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye, take care. Meet you in my next video. If you have a Samsung phone, do subscribe to my channel because I upload Samsung updates related videos and Samsung related videos. Bye, take care. Have a great day.